Yes, Tesla stock is up today, doing a solid bullish reaction, and it is rejecting yesterday's top sign. These are all good news for the bulls. However, this movement is not a complete victory yet. In fact, this is just the beginning, as now the story gets really interesting. You see, Tesla stock just reached a critical inflection point. The way Tesla reacts at this critical inflection point will dictate the next midterm trend. And if you are still not sure whether this bullish reaction Tesla is doing this week is a dead cat bounce or a true bullish reversal, then I have good news for you. We are going to find out very soon. So let's see what's going on here. My name is Nathan, by the way, and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start our analysis looking at the 1 hour chart. Short-term wise, Tesla is reversing the bearish momentum. Tesla was inside this descending channel over here, trading between these two purple trend lines. It was below the 21 exponential moving average as well. Recently, we did an upwards breakout from both key points. We did a pullback over here to the 178 area, the previous top level. We respected the support area over here at the 178, near the 21 exponential moving average as well. And right now, we are bouncing. In addition, we broke the previous top level. We broke the 183 resistance over here. And right now, it seems the 183 is working as a support level here, 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 and here. The last 4 candles in the 1 hour chart, they were all respecting the 183. This is quite interesting. Tesla looks very technical at this point. However, the situation is still very critical because we just hit its most important inflection point, the 187 area, which is the neckline of this head and shoulders chart pattern. We triggered this head and shoulders. Right now we are doing a pullback to the neckline again, as expected, as happens nearly 68% of the time according to Bulkovsk's studies. And this key point is right at the 21 exponential moving average as well. The 21 EMA in the daily chart is at 186. We are at 185 right now, so we are just below this critical inflection point. In addition to all of this, if we look at options wise, we see that the maximum pain is at 180. So Tesla is between its maximum pain and its most important critical inflection point. The bias seems bullish. The put call ratio for options expiring this Friday, tomorrow, is around 0.7. So yes, the sentiment is bullish. It was bullish since the beginning of this week. So, okay, it feels like we are bullish short-term speaking. If Tesla actually breaks the 187 and starts trading way above the 180 area over here, which is the maximum pain, Tesla might trigger a midterm rally. And in this scenario, I see Tesla retesting again the next resistance area in the daily chart, which is the $200 area over here, the previous top level in the daily chart above the 21 EMA. However, in order for this scenario to materialize, Tesla has to break its critical inflection point. This is going to be its first technical target in the daily chart. However, in my humble opinion, Tesla would have even more upside potential if we actually break this inflection point, because we are going to frustrate a bearish thesis on Tesla over here, because so far Tesla is doing lower highs, lower lows, right? Tesla is doing this, okay? Maybe we can see this as a lower high, lower low as well. If Tesla actually breaks this key point, maybe we're gonna see a V-shaped recovery, and Tesla might frustrate the bearish bias, at least for now. However, if we see a bearish structure over here, any bearish top sign under the 187, okay, this might indicate that Tesla is going to retest lower retracements over here. Okay, maybe the 50%, maybe the 61.8%. I'm not sure yet. I think we are going to fill this gap if we actually trigger a top sign below this key point. Therefore, do you see now, this is such an important inflection point. The way Tesla reacts over here is going to dictate the next midterm trend. Right now at the moment, Tesla is not breaking this key resistance level. However, it is not doing any top sign on it yet. So there is nothing else to do but wait for a clear reaction. What's more, the 200 resistance area over here is, at the same time, a very important key point options wise if Tesla actually breaks our key inflection point, because we see the highest call open interest strike on options expiring this Friday is at $200. If we take a look at options expiring next week, we see the same thing. It is the highest call open interest strike over here as well. So yes, the 200s seems to be a quite important and relevant key point short-wise and option-wise. And of course, if you want to keep in touch with my insights, premium insights, check my website, join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money while beating this market. Daily analysis, options, strategies, and much more. So let's get back to our chart over here. In theory, as I already told you guys in this channel, usually what happens most of the time when Tesla finds a support around the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement and bounces just to ignore it afterwards, usually we seek the 61.8% next. And I believe the 61.8 is the most important support level because it is not only the last retracement, but it is the earnings gap over here. We might fill this gap if we actually trigger a top sign in this area. What Tesla is gonna do, I don't know. I don't need to know in order to trade well. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. So if you're still watching this random Brazilian guy talking about Tesla, come on, subscribe this channel, you like it, the content, and click on the like button as well to support me. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.